gonna be chaotic today, boys and girls. What's up, everybody? CJ here, Friends for Adventures. Drinking some coffee, getting motivated. Gonna do some home improvement projects today. And yeah, y'all coming along for the ride. But I'm gonna show you how to move a TV and use a dang stud finder. I mean, every time I grab it, it beeps anyway, but beside the point, we're gonna get started. 4-foot level, stud finder, torpedo level, Allen wrenches, half a pair of scissors, needle nose pliers, good sharpened pencil, some sockets, a socket head for impact drill, some accessories, just a bunch of extra stuff, impact drill, and a 6-foot ladder. Those are the tools needed for today's projects. Yep, so we're gonna take that TV, stick it on said wall, take that bed, stick it against this wall. Let's get started. First things first, let's get this TV off the wall. Allen head bolts in there. Luckily I had the right side. Round one complete. We're back. And in this crazy world, we're gonna use the impact. We're gonna take that off the wall.
No.
How loud that is.
Now we gotta repaint.
Yeah. It's because they hung it right after they painted it.
Oh yeah. That's alright. It's easy to fix.
You scared them. Like they were like,
And it's going
but then it broke down.
over here. And then that's her canopy, but it goes on top of her bed.
We're gonna put that up later.
But Daddy has to move everything around before we can put the canopy back. And he has to move her bed and fix her curtains.
Mom, show them.
She locked this padlock on her door, and she lost the key. It's been there for a while.
Wow, Dad. Do you need some help?
I think I got it.
Okay.
And then her tank is gonna go here. That's why we're moving the TV.
Okay, move. Move the tape.
We're not gonna move it yet.
Okay.
Okay. And then her nightstand, Daddy, is gonna go right there.
Immediately.
I'm gonna figure out how high I want
Oh, okay.
I think I'll do good right up there. But first move it, and Dad, you keep it right here. So
Okay.
you keep it right there, and I'm gonna be laying down on the bed.
You lay down on your bed.
Yeah, but
On the
first,
side of your tank.
okay. No.
No, we're just gonna see where you want your TV. I'm thinking like right here.
Yeah. Because even if she goes to a bigger size,
So
eventually,
Yeah.
I want
you
it
don't
that
want it to be like
high.
way too
Dad,
high.
it should be that high.
That high.
Yeah, that high.
Okay. This is
Okay.
about that high.
Actually, no, because it actually just covers most of.
Alright, we got it. We're gonna get it.
I know where it goes.
Where is my dots?
It goes right there.
I think we're gonna go up here.
No, right there. Okay, fine, up there.
Okay.
But if it doesn't work, I'm gonna be
Upset.
yeah. And I'm gonna go and I can't be. Bye. Good night.
So we're gonna use a little bit just to see if I'm on the stud. And we're gonna hope we are.
Definitely so.
Definitely something there. This one's the one I'm worried about because the stud finder gave me 2 spots and I'm just Gonna meet in the middle. Alright, we got something. So.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's definitely low.
Hold it still.
Screw these little Allen heads in. The TV is moving.
All right.
It's here. It's here.
Good job, Daddy.
Alright. So Mick fixed the mess up we did earlier from the paint sticking to the thing. Just got a little fast dry spackle. Hit it. And it's just simple as pie. And it's flush. I've already did that side. And it's fast drying, so it should do it on its own. And
I'm gonna hit it with some paint.
we'll hit it with some paint and it'll be good to go. So, crisis averted. And thank y'all for coming hang out with me. Now you know what time it is? Grown up cold pop time. Woo-hoo! Ain't nothing better than a good cold pop after a hard day's work. I know it was fast, short, sweet, but it's just a little DIY I do. Bob Vila in training is like what I like to call it. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Maybe we'll have some for next week.